A lot of times in a little stream, we'll find that we have a little bit of a deep cleft underneath each of our riverbanks. And so how do you put that? Well, let me show you. First off, let's just put a little basic reflection in here. Say I'm just taking a 1-inch brush, the long-haired 1-inch brush made with horsehair, and I'll just go ahead and pull it in. And just go straight across. And then I'm going to pick up my knife. This is a number 10 palette knife. And I'm going to go ahead and take some Van Dyke brown, just a small roll. And I'm going to start way in the back here. Remember again, the straighter you go, the more level it will look. But notice how high into the ground I'm doing. And then you want to take your fan brush. I'm using a number 3 fan brush, coming back here and just pressing up the back edges. That allows a couple of things. It makes it look like the foliage is coming right out of the woods, right onto this riverbank. Now, as I said, this riverbank has a big jut of dirt, and so now we'll just pull it straight down. Pull it straight down. This old riverbank is a few inches above the water level. And so that's just the dirt that's cutting away. That's where catfish like to hide, I'm told. They eat catfish, don't necessarily spend a lot of time trying to catch them. Now we'll take a little bit of a lighter color just for highlighting. See how we're bringing it out, but yet we have this edge right here. It's coming straight across. And now you're going to want to take your brush again and pull down on that riverbank edge. Just pulling it down. And that will set this right into the water. And then go ahead, give it a little bit of a highlight. Set it in with your horizontal strokes. We'll put no highlight on this, but we will bring in some water line color, and we'll just go ahead and work it on. Now, I deliberately put a little bend here in this right here because I want to show you how you can do the water line with this shorter edge. See, this is the shorter edge of the knife, because you don't want to go this way. That would just be unnatural. The water seeks its own level, so it must be parallel strokes to the bottom of the canvas. So this is how you turn around the bend. Just going straight backwards and forward. And it's just that simple. And it looks very, very natural. And now you've got a riverbank that is coming over here. You can add a little bit of detail, because I could come right along here and just add a little bit of detail, just here or there. But that's all if you feel that it's necessary. Some of these are just dark, some of them are light. Some of them are really way back in the woods. And you can go ahead and bring in your fan brush with a little bit of grass. And I'm just using some highlight here just to show you what I mean. You come right up here on the riverbank. So you can break up your riverbank quite a bit just with some additional highlights in there. And I think that pretty much shows you a couple of nice ways in doing riverbanks.